Here's a look at today's lesson. The learning targets are: I understand how to measure area using a variety of units and why standard units are useful. I can find area using pattern blocks, and I can explain area and how it is different from length. It says click on this link. That is the first thing you're going to want to do, and I'll show you where that takes you in a moment. You're going to use the shapes on this link to help you answer the questions on the next slide. You can move the shapes to help you see. Again, I will describe that in a moment. Maureen is a graphic designer and wants to measure the area of her desk. The only tools she has are green, blue, red, and yellow pattern blocks. She wonders if it matters which the block she uses. Use pattern blocks to help Maureen by answering the questions on the next slide. So here we have the green triangle, the yellow hexagon, the blue rhombus, and the red trapezoid. These are the pattern blocks. These are the 5 questions you have to answer. Let's pretend that Maureen decides that the green triangle represents 1 unit of area. You have to answer these 2 questions believing that the green triangle is 1 unit of area. So the first one says, what is the area of the blue rhombus? So I'm going to go back to that first slide and I'm going to click on this link to show you how it's going to help you. So this right here is 1 unit of area, this green triangle. Here's our blue rhombus. Let's see how many of these green triangles fit in our blue rhombus. There's 1, and I can rotate the shape using this rotating tool right here on the side. Here's 2. So the answer for that first question is 2. So I would type that right next to where it says area or answer, 2. You could say 2 units to be more specific, right? Then the next one is the area of the red trapezoid. So we still have the green triangle representing 1 unit of area. So now I'm going to take my red trapezoid and I'm going to see how many of these green triangles fit on there. I'm not going to give away the answer on that one. The next one is if Maureen decides that the blue rhombus represents 1 unit of area. So now this is our 1 unit of area. So what is the area of the yellow hexagon? So how many of these can I fit in my yellow hexagon? Again, you'll have to do some rotating of the shape. What is the area of the green triangle? Again, the blue rhombus is 1 unit of area. So here's my green triangle. How many of these fit on there? You'll notice it's not a whole one. So it's going to be a fraction as an answer. And then lastly, if Maureen decides that the red trapezoid represents 1 unit of area. So now this is our unit of area. What is the area of the yellow hexagon then? And you'll put your answer right next to answer.